Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. In the context of encouraging rapid growth of fish and feed intake.
Something about grain silo belt conveyor.
In Estonia, the installation of 3 cone silos from KMZ Industries.
Brief overview on conveyor system including grain silo belt conveyor.
Grandson long article for animal feed, pet food.
Raw materials storage plant at Procavi feed mill in Spain.
Glad to announce that we will take part in Asia Grains and Oils Conference.
C Pro Advanced Grain Moisture Meter that connects to your smartphone.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.